Tammy here with Minard's Leisure World. Today I'm going to take you through an all-new floor plan from the Cherokee division. It is the 2025 Grey Wolf 26 SSBL. This is a one-slide couples coach weighing in right around 6,200 pounds. So let's get started. We did option this one in with the black label, so it has the hung fiberglass side walls. Frameless windows is another option that you get with the black label, and also the thermofoil insulation. At the front here, we have your cargo area, full power awning with the LED lights. They do the automotive black glass door. These look sharp. They're nice and sturdy. I absolutely love how they look. You've got your outside speakers, a spot here to bring your TV from inside to outside in case you want to catch that football game or maybe the baseball games. It is a tandem axle. A couples coach with an outside kitchen. So you've got your mini fridge, flat top griddle here, and an ice maker as well. They've got kind of the outside shower here, so you can use that to fill up your ice maker or rinse off some dishes, that sort of thing, and a little bit of a work counter space next to that. The Grey Wolves all come equipped with your backup camera, so that's there for you already. They've got the flip down cargo rack with the spare tire mounted on that as well, and it is ladder prepped, so it's got the Lippert ladder bracket there if you choose to add a ladder to your coach just to check regular roof maintenance, that sort of thing. So we are inside the all-new 2025 Grey Wolf 26 SSBL. Absolutely love this couples coach floor plan. As we come in here, you've got a little bit of a hutch here, a couple shelves, some great storage below, storage up top. We have your entertainment slash area, so your flat screen TV would go there. You've got a fireplace, and check this out, hidden pantry storage. Wow, this is massive. I absolutely love that they've done this because what else? Just kind of blank space back there, so why not add storage into that? Directly across from your entertainment system, we have theater seats. So this love seat does recline, so it's a two-seater recliner. They have the zebra style blinds, so you've actually got room darkening. You can move them just to let a little bit of light in or have them fully open. Over in the slide out, the kind of oversized bench dinette. I love it. It's nice and deep, great size table. Each side of the bench has full pull-out drawers, so tons of storage there and lots of room to get in and out for game night. Moving along into the kitchen, we have storage right across the top. Nice, big, deep, open cabinets. Part of the black label package is the solid surface countertops. We've got what they call the smart sink here. So you've got a cutting board, kind of a rinse tray. You do have the drying rack, the glass washer, and a spot here to put some hand soap or hand sanitizer if you choose. And it is the residential style pull-out faucet. Couple full length drawers here. 3-burner cooktop, your microwave. There's no oven in this guy, but I feel sometimes the oven is just a storage place for your pots and pans. Nice counter space back here, great plugins all around. 10 cubic foot refrigerator, and this fridge actually has a double swinging door, so you can open it from either side. So that's kind of convenient. Pull-out freezer drawer on the bottom. And with this being 12-volt refrigerator, this coach is also equipped with 200 watts of solar. The 12-volt refrigerators are more efficient and they cool quicker, and it's nice because you can have them on while you're traveling. And none other than more pantry storage. Nice, deep shelves in there, lots of room for all your dry goods. Moving along to the front of the coach, we have your nice pass-through bathroom. What I love about the pass-through washrooms is there's tons of space. So there's a solid closing door off to the living space and then a pocket door that takes you into the bedroom. We've got an open little shelving area there on the bottom of the vanity for some linens if you choose. Decent counter space, your sink, vanity, and medicine cabinet. Moving along, we have your foot flush toilet and your residential style shower. All right, so up here in the bedroom we have, it's actually got an RV king, so not very often you find the king size beds in a travel trailer. I absolutely love that option. Nice cabinets on either side, full length hanging cabinets. You've got full storage up top as well, all closed off by the cabinets. Some handy dandy reading lights up top there. In the bedroom, you have your blackout pleated shades. They've also added in this nice little feature of an inverter, so it's perfect if you have a CPAP machine or you want to charge up your cell phones, that sort of thing. So you've got that. And at the foot of the bed, we have some more storage. So great place to fold your clothing items, place for shoes on the bottom. Just it never hurts to have an added little bit amount of storage. Okay, so we just checked out the 2025 Grey Wolf 26 SSBL. As I mentioned, this is a brand new floor plan for the Cherokee division in the Grey Wolf, weighing in right around 6,200 pounds, dry, half-ton towable. Definitely give us a shout if this looks like the unit for you. Minard's Leisure World, Weyburn and Watcher, Saskatchewan.